Good morning, everybody. This is Dani, the wicked awesome gardener. It's currently about 9 o'clock in the morning, and I'm out here in my yard just kicking off what is going to be a weekend full of filming. I've got a lot to do. I've got to build a chicken coop, chicken run. I've also got some garden tour to film for you guys because wow, what a difference a week makes. Holy cow, all of a sudden the garden is just full of things just on the edge of harvest. So I figured I'd show you guys that before I go ahead and do hopefully a harvest video in a few days. So not only are we going to do the chicken coop build, but the chickens themselves are coming this weekend. So I've got to go pick them up actually very soon. So that coop really needs to get done. But that's all coming up. For now, I just wanted to do a little intro video to some people that I met while I was at the Migardener Headquarters Grand Opening. So here to tell you about their channel are Rachel and Lori from Providence Acres, and I will let them tell you all about their channel.
Hey everybody, we're here at Migardener, Providence Acres here. It's good to see you all. I'm so happy to be here. This has been such an exciting day, and if you get a chance to get over here to Migardener here in St. Clair, Michigan, their warehouse is amazing. You seriously have got to check it out. Plus the people are really cool. So you need to come and check them out. Go online, hop on to migardener.com. Their seeds are fantastic. If you get a chance to subscribe to their channel, Migardener on YouTube, I watch them like literally all night long. I'll fall asleep, wake up, I'm still watching it, and I learn so much. I wake up in the morning like, I gotta try this with my garden. This is gonna be so cool.
I can confirm that actually. I'm the recipient of those thoughts in the morning when I come down and I come to get my coffee. She's like, that's what I learned.
So just happy to be here, happy to meet other YouTubers. If you get a chance to hop over to our channel, Providence Acres, we'd love to see you. We focus on just doing a homestead on a shoestring budget with an ugly old barn that we are trying to renovate and build back up. And we've got cows that we milk, we've got pigs, we've got chickens, we've got turkeys, and we've got the garden, and a wonderful family that helps me out because I could not do this all by myself. This last week I tried. It was not a good situation. So hop on over, and I can't wait to meet you all.
Hey, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Go ahead and check them out. I'll put a link to their channel down in the video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead over to Providence Acres, check them out, subscribe to their channel. They're trying to get to their 1K. I love to shout out and give assistance to smaller channels. Us small channels, we all got to stick together. They're doing some really cool things over there, and they were just really nice people. All right, I've got to get to building this chicken coop, so I will see you later. Bye-bye.